Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to get data from an HTML form to a Python script. Before we begin, let's have a quick overview of what we'll be covering in this video. We're going to create a simple HTML form that takes two numbers as input. Then, we'll use Flask to handle the form submission and perform a basic addition operation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how HTML and Python can work together seamlessly. Now, let's jump into the code. Here, I am create to file index.html and a file for Python named Script.py. Now, I am creating a basic HTML form that takes two numbers as input. Make sure to give your form a unique action attribute, as we'll be using this later to connect it to our Flask app. We have input fields for each number and a submit button. Let's create a template for displaying the result. We'll use Jinja templating to dynamically insert the result into our HTML. To follow along with this tutorial, make sure you have Python and Flask installed on your machine. After creating HTML form, let's create our Flask app. Here's a simple Flask app to get us started. We'll handle the form submission, retrieve the values, perform the addition, and then send the result back to the user. And there you have it. We've successfully connected an HTML form to a Python backend, allowing us to send values, perform a basic operation, and display the result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.